Hey, what's up, guys? Here goes a short cover of Last Kiss by Taylor Swift. Enjoy! I still remember the look on your face, lit through the darkness at 1:58. The words that you whispered for just us to know. You told me you loved me, so why did you go away? I do recall now the smell of the rain, fresh on the pavement. I ran off the plane. That July night, the beat of your heart, it jumps through your shirt. I can still feel your arms, but now I'll go sit on the floor wearing your clothes. All that I know is I don't know how to be something you miss. Never thought we'd have our last kiss. Never imagined we'd